Wow, finally, ito na. The best yung aroma ng ating fried samaral na isda. Napalabas na natin. So, what is next? Ito, yung ating saluyot. So, yan. Hindi yan sasarap pag wala yung saluyot. Okay, so here you are. So yan ang pinaka last part, saluyot na masarap. Yun. There you are. Yan guys, so ipa-blanch lang natin yung saluyot. Okay, so huwag masyadong overcook. I-taste test na natin, pinaka-finale na. Wow, the best. Perfect na. So yun yung ating dinding labong bamboo shoot for tonight's dinner. So again, this is Rick Ayay, your Ansay the Vlogger, your animal scientist. So yun po, cooking challenge po tayo every time magluluto. Okay guys, bye bye guys.